So now we'll attach the NAT gateway to our instance so that it will start downloading the necessary packages. So we can see that the NAT gateway is already created. Now let's jump into the route table of the private route table. Here we can select the routes and edit route, add a NAT internet route. So you can select the NAT gateway. So now your instance should be able to ping to Google and also download the necessary packages. So we can jump into the instance now. You can see right now it is able to ping because of the NAT gateway. So we'll start installing some packages. So we'll update the packages and we'll install some Python packages. So it's going to take some while. So the installation is almost complete now. Now we shall install some Python packages. So we'll be running this app in the virtual environment. So we'll install virtual environment here. It's a typo here. So we'll install some libraries like a Flask application. So we need the Flask library here, and also we'll install the PySQL. So now the installation is complete. Now we'll head on to creation of RDS. So now one more change we need to do. We need to place the database subnets completely away from internet, because even if you place it in private subnet, right, because of the NAT gateway, they are exposed to internet. So what we are going to do, we are going to remove that subnet association from the private subnets. So just remove it and save it. So now only private apps are under the private subnet. DB is an isolated subnet. Now let's before you need to create the database, we are going to set this flag in the VPC. So you can just select the VPC, edit settings, and you have to enable DNS hostname. Save it. So now let's jump into the creation of RDS. So before creating RDS groups, we need to create a subnet group for that. Let's launch it. So you can come to the subnet groups here. You can create one subnet group, create a DB subnet group. You can name something. You can give as per your choice, some description you can give it. You choose your VPC, no? And you have to add a subnet. So we haven't created any subnet for that. That's the reason it is not popping out. Now let's jump into creation of another DB subnet, because only one subnet we have created. If you see, right, DB private A, we have to create one more subnet here. Select the VPC, select one more subnet here. The name I am giving it's the same thing, like A and B. That's the reason I just changed it. You can select the 1B, because 1A already we are having one subnet. So 1B you can select. You can give it as some subnet you can give. So earlier one was 21, so we have given here 22.0/24. You can save it. So now the subnet is created. You can see, right, DB private A and DB private B. Two subnets are created. One is 21 and another is 22. Now you can head on to the subnet groups here. You can select one DB private A, DB. This you refresh it once, it will come. It should come. And just refresh it, and you can come back here. Just create the same thing again. You can select the VPC. Now you can select 1A and 1B. The subnets will be listed here. You can see, right, DB private A and DB private B. You can select two subnets, and you can save it. So the subnet group is created. Now you can head on to creation of RDS. You can start creating database now. You can select create database, select the MySQL, and you can select the default version here. So 8.4.7 is the default version. So this password you have to remember. Can give any password of your choice. Everything remains the same. You can give it as a default. Now you have to select the VPC here, ShopSmart VPC, and the DB subnet group what we have created just now, right? Just create it, select it. You should not give any public access to it. And the security group what we have already created, right, RDS SG, that we are going to select here. and everything remains the same. Default you can leave it. Just check. So I think everything is right. Password also we have given. Yeah, so you can hit on create database now. So it takes some while to get the database done. So we'll wait for some time. So meanwhile, we can edit the RDS SG group. So inbound rules, we have to open the port 3306 for the MySQL port. So edit inbound rules, add role. You can select MySQL here. And 3306, you can give it from the access from the app server. So only app servers can be able to access the RDS database. So the database is still it's created now. Yeah, now we can see that the database is created. So now we need to configure the we create the database and post some tables in it. So this is the command. You can take the connection steps command here, and you can connect it to the database and create database to it. So we'll jump into the app server now. First we'll connect to the Bastion host, and now you can connect to the private app server. We're connecting to 11.198. From here you can connect to the database. So let's launch the virtual environment. Okay, now you can copy this command. After you have created the command will be visible here. You have to copy till admin. So if this package is not found, I think we have to install this package. Let's install it. We have to give till -p. So then it will ask for the password. So give the password. Now we are connected to the RDS. So you can hit this command show databases. It will show the system databases. So now let's create our own ShopSmart database. We're going to paste some line of code here. So these things I'll be providing in my GitHub repository. So now you can again query for show databases. So we have created a ShopSmart database.